Okay, let's be brutally honest. I am day 100 into my UGC business journey towards my 1 lakh per month goal before 2026. And for the past few months, I thought consistency and effort were enough because I have been working my ASS off, juggling between my studies, other works, chasing every single lead, and I have hit burnout. I have been bored. I have had my fair share of wins. I have had my failures. But looking at the clock ticking towards 2026, all I could see was how little time I have left and not how far I've come. And today I'm sharing my massive breakthrough that's completely going to shift my Q4 strategy. And if you're putting in the effort and not seeing the results, then this is for you. Hi, I am Pooja Acharya, a UGC creator here in India, and I have been in this journey for almost a year now. And currently, this is my goal to scale my UGC business to one that consistently would pay me 1 lakh per month just by doing brand collabs, and we are hitting that goal before 2026. And in this video we are discussing about what happened in the month of September and how I am changing my October goals. What's October goals. My biggest mistake was believing that my effort alone would get me 1 lakh. I mean, I was consistent enough with my efforts, but consistency in doing wrong things is just consistent failure. I was picturing every brand that I saw. I was making content that I thought was high value, but didn't actually filter it for my ideal audience. And I didn't have a clear product, I just had services. And all of these were just random effort. And that is when the doubt started creeping in. Am I overestimating myself? Do I really have that potential? What if I fail? I mean, what if I cannot finish my own goal? And it was horrible. Trust me, it was very, very bad. And the turning point was realizing that my goal is not just to make 1 lakh rupees, but to build a scalable income that earns me 1 lakh rupees. And you can't build a system with just random efforts. So this is why my October UVB goals are a complete pivot. I am moving away from just doing the work to explicitly building a business framework. And my focus this month is on authority and productization. This means two things. I am going to build assets that sell when I'm sleeping. And number two is become the go-to expert, both for brands and for creators. And not just telling the what, but why it works strategically. But before we get into October goals, let me take you to my workspace and I will share my results of September. Month 3, that was September, was all about conversion and confidence. And the goal was to build proof about client reviews and results. I am so happy to inform that I have done all of those things except for one, that is to begin my email list, just to help other UGC creators. It's not a necessary step for my final goal, but we delivered impactful results from the 2 collabs that I had gained. We'll come back to that point, okay? We requested testimonials from all of them. And this time I was pitching package offers like retainers, bundles, and add-ons, and not just one-off deals. We refined our onboarding and feedback processes. I have like a whole list of how to pitch, how to, onboard clients, being put up in a PDF that will be out soon. So subscribe and follow me on my Instagram to not miss that out. I created 2 case studies for the results that I had gathered there in my Notion portfolio. But apparently the milestone of working with 5+ brands was not achieved because I could only work with 2 brands. I had my exams and I couldn't really put in a lot of clients. Another milestone, that is to have a repeatable process in place, is a huge success. So coming to the month 4, that is authority and productization for the month of October. The goal is to establish authority and diversify our revenue. The second half of the goal is just for myself, but if you want it, you can implement that as well. But to establish authority, it means that we are no more just UGC creators. We are the go-to experts. We know what we are doing. We are the psychic CEOs. So now here's my exact plan for October to shift from effort to a strategy. Goal 1 is to launch a micro product, which I have been doing, but I also want to launch another Notion template for you all, which is ready. I just have to launch it. Now for the second one, this is the most important. Build long form content on YouTube and LinkedIn. I am building long form contents on platforms like YouTube and LinkedIn because that is where serious brands and their marketing officials are there. And that is the place where these aspiring individuals go for strategy. My reels grab attention, they get the attention of the brands, but in order to really establish my expertise and trust, I'm going to build my own portfolio or my own personality in LinkedIn. And for LinkedIn, I will generally be repurposing most of my educative reels there in article format or as a text-based post. My target is to post at least 3 posts every week on LinkedIn. Currently, my content schedule for YouTube is to post two long form videos per month, because that is all I am currently able to take. But let's see if we can make a progress out of it this month. Number 3 is host one IG live or workshop. This, I am thinking so bad on this because I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. I'm not going to talk about it because I am like, I don't think I'm still in that position to have a live or a workshop. So let's keep that aside. Next is to pitch for long-term retainers and testimonial usage. This is what we have been doing in the month of September, and we are continuing the same for the month of October as well, but mainly focusing on long-term retainers like a 1-month deal or a 3-month package. I am actively pitching for long-term deals and not just for one-off videos. This means showing a brand not just a video but a whole campaign strategy, proving how my content drives ROI for them. And lastly, to analyze what content converts the clients, because based on that, we are going to pitch more and more deals for the coming months. The milestone for this month is position being shifted from the creator to the go-to expert. So we are being more and more serious on what we are doing, and this feels hard. Until the first 3 months, the goals were super achievable, super personalized, but now it's all strategic. It's like you gotta learn this. If you don't learn this, you're not going to achieve. That is the goals that have been put up here. I'm excited but scared as well. I won't deny that this shift is super scary. It means that stepping out of my comfort zone of just creating and into a more uncomfortable space of strategizing and selling my systems. But it's the only way that I can achieve my 1 lakh goal sustainably. So I'm hoping for the real best, because it's easy to see everyone's wins and forget the losses. But a journey isn't all about the wins, and it's not all about the losses. It's about learning, adapting, and refining your strategy. That's the same thing I said last month as well. We are not quitting, we are pivoting, we are shifting. I am super scared, I am super doubtful, but at the same time, deep inside me, I know that I am very passionate about this. I am going to do this. I know I just can't give up. And my mantra now is that we can rest, but we cannot quit. If you're also ready to stop putting random efforts and start building a real UGC business, then join me on this journey. You can download my UGC Business Builder checklist down in the description, so you can start strategizing your business today itself. And also do check out my Notion portfolio template that is linked in the description to build a system, not just a portfolio. And if you want to learn more about how to use this template and what this template really has, then check out this video next. And as always, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell icon so that you don't miss on my episodes. Follow my progress as I make this strategic pivot towards 1 lakh per month. Meet you all on the next month for the same. Let's discuss how October went and what are the next strategies for the month of November. Oh my god, the moment I feel that December is just 1.5 or 2.5 months away, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, because we can do this. We are in this together. Bye bye.